Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper vs Audi TT, which is better. Follow along as I break down handling, comfort, and ownership costs in straightforward terms. I will explain how each car feels behind the wheel, what to expect for daily use, and which buyer each model suits best. This quick guide helps you weigh driving enjoyment against practicality to pick the better fit for your lifestyle. Let's talk performance and handling with a friendly, no-nonsense tone that's easy to follow. I'll describe how the Mini Cooper's agile steering favors tight turns and urban driving, while the Audi TT offers composed high-speed stability and planted confidence. We'll compare throttle response, transmission feel, and how each car communicates through the chassis. After this section, you'll know which driving character matches your priorities for fun and control. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me make more car comparisons. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that save time during busy weeks and keep snacks tidy between drives, a small practical win for owners who commute or road trip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll examine comfort and practicality in clear, conversational terms so you can picture daily life with each car. I'll cover seating comfort, rear room, cargo space, and technology features that impact convenience. You'll hear about visibility for city driving, ease of entry and exit, and which car adapts better to errands or weekend trips. By the end, you'll understand trade-offs between characterful compact design and refined usability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.